here's a quick little video. Sometimes you may have to swap out door handles. I know a lot of people like to keep their lock so that it matches their key. So if you've got the door handle removed, I'll do a video on that later. But real simple, if you got it removed, you turn it around, there is this metal pin right here in it. Oh. Oops. Well, shit. Anyway, you are going to pry this little metal pin out, and that's what's going to take the lock itself out of the door handle. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, the little pin is removed. And then your door lock itself slides right out.